Matthew Allen Campbell is the current head football coach at Iowa State. He was head coach at Toledo from 2011 to 2015. Prior to that, Campbell had been an assistant at Toledo, Bowling Green, and Mount Union. Campbell grew up in Ohio and briefly attended the University of Pittsburgh before transferring to Mount Union, where he played defensive line. Campbell was born in Massillon, Ohio. Rick, his father, coached football at Jackson High School. Matt played football at rival Perry, which won 3 conference championships, while he was on the team. Campbell initially attended the University of Pittsburgh on a scholarship in 1998, but transferred to the University of Mount Union after a year. At Mount Union, Campbell played on the defensive line between 1999-2002. At Mount Union, Campbell played for head coach Larry Kehrs, whose teams won 3 Division III championships during Campbell's career. Campbell himself was twice named to the College Football All-America team and named Ohio Athletic Conference Defensive Lineman of the Year. After college, Campbell stayed within Ohio and took a job as a graduate assistant at Bowling Green State University from 2003-2004. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.